Let's tackle a question that's been haunting dev forums since, I don't know, the dawn of time, maybe? Should you learn C or C++ in 2025? But wait, isn't that like learning how to build a steam engine in the age of hyperloops? Don't worry, that's why I'm here to answer this question for you. So, if both these are that old, why bother in 2025? Well, three big reasons. Number one, performance is forever. If you need speed, like simulate a black hole speed or render a million polygon speed, C and C++ are still king. Newer languages are cool, but these both are the OG in this regard. Number two, you'll understand computers on a spiritual level. Learning C and C++ is like taking apart a clock to see how gears work. You'll grasp memory management, pointers, and why your Python code sometimes crashes. These two will get you closest to the hardware itself. Number three, job security with a side of street cred. Embedded systems, game engines, robotics, high-frequency trading, these fields live on C and C++. Also, telling someone you code in C++ is like saying you play chess blindfolded. I know, instant respect. Also, there are some ifs to learn these two languages. First, if you're into game development, robotics, operating systems, or you just really want to optimize the heck out of code that go for C and C++. Second, if you're a curious soul who wants to know how computers actually work beneath all the abstractions. Third, if you want unmatched control, performance, and a skill set that outlives trends. It's not the easiest path, but neither is climbing Everest. And people still do that. So will C and C++ survive 2025? Well, let's just say they'll outlive all of us.